It is 8 a.m. on Saturday. I am headed out to Hemet to help my sister move, and then I gotta leave there by 11:30, drive up to Hesperia, and go shoot pictures at a car show that I committed to like 2 months ago. But first, you may have remembered in my last video I said that I was going to be giving out stickers, so this is going to be my only chance to check the P.O. box. So I'm going to go check that real quick, get some ice for the water and sodas for the car show later, and then head out. So here we go. Of course they don't open till 9. What the hell kind of place doesn't open till 9 on a Saturday? So my brother-in-law's cousin owns this melon facility, and it looks like they stored all their stuff in the storage containers, so we're gonna load it up now.
In this way, and it's strapped this way onto them, and then we'll be good.
Yeah, okay. That's not it. As long as
This is a whole lot of crap.
This is nothing.
So everything's packed up in the cars, and it's time to head to Menifee.
Thank you.
This is my first time actually coming to the new house. My wife and everybody else have been here a couple of times while they were building it, but it was always, you know, came out when I didn't have a chance to. But looks like a good neighborhood. You know, I wouldn't expect anything else from my sister. So we got the heavy stuff all offloaded and all the stuff out of my car, and now I get to drive an hour and a half up to Hesperia for the Southern California Mini Truck Council run. So mainly going to be shooting the car show today, and then they have kind of a party. I don't remember the coverage I shot at Summer Madness. This is a similar type of event, but much smaller. Anyway, that's where I'm going now. Well, that was one hell of a drive. I'm used to having to drive out in the middle of nowhere for these things, but I guess it's been a while. So, get the camera ready and go take some pictures. Looks to be a better turnout than last year. So it's not the biggest thing in the world, but my wife went to a car show in Chino this morning, an old-time car show, and she had her Tupperware booth, and she said they had 15 vehicles. So this definitely beats 15 vehicles. I got here just in time. Everybody's taking off.
What's up, brother?
So
You get package deal.
they're doing the
Mini
raffle
trucking
right
video,
now.
T-shirt.
Raffle always takes forever.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Virgin runner, we got a virgin runner.
It's right here. Oh!
Hey, let me find some. Oh, I will give you, no. Hey, I will give you $10. You give him a nice hug for 3 seconds. $10. Yeah. It's gonna be after a shower.
Is that Dennis Rodman?
That was a good one. I know the rules. Macaroni salad, I love it. I'll eat it. I'll just hit it up. Scott, wait. Open your mouth. $10, you give him the hug. Yeah. I was so
Wait,
wipe your face. That's gonna taste so good. Oh yeah, you gotta. You could have peeled it first.
Just bend over. It's fine.
Oh, it's the pink banana girl. Wait. Say thank you, local finesse. Thank you, local finesse.
Hey, I'll eat that banana.
It's about 10:30. I got about an hour's drive home, and then I gotta be up. Well, Logan has a Cub Scout thing at a train museum tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. It's about a half-hour drive there, so I should be home by 11:30, showered in bed by 12, and then that'll give me time to get up in the morning and get him to the Scout thing. So, as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the morning.